Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn daily activities related conversation part 3rd. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Example 5. So here we are going to discuss about example 5. Here we can see that in left side question part, in right side answer part. So first person or how first person is asking question to second person, and second person is giving answer according to first person questions. How we can ask question to somebody in correct way and how we can give answer to that question in correct way. So let's start. So number one example is, did you watch television last night? Somebody is asking, okay, did you watch television last night? Answer replied, or answer came from that question, yes, I did. I watched television last night. Next question, did you listen to the radio last night? Answer is replied, yes, I did. I listened the radio last night. Third question, did you go to a movie last night? Answer, yes, I did. I went to a movie last night. Fourth question, did you go to the library last night? Answer, yes, I did. I went to the library last night. Fifth question, did you attend a concert last night? Answer, yes, I did. I attended a concert last night. Sixth question, did you visit a museum last night? Answer, yes, I did. I visited a museum last night. Example 6. Here we can see questions that we can express our feelings in two different ways. First way and second way. So let's start. He is happy. He is usually happy. Second example, they are at home. They are usually at home. She is there. She is usually there. Fourth example, I am very nervous. I am usually very nervous. Fifth example, you are in your office. You are usually in your office. Sixth example, they are quite busy. They are usually quite busy. Seventh example, we are serious about things. We are usually serious about things. Seventh example, he writes carefully. He writes carefully. Another way we can say, he usually writes carefully. They practice at home. In another way, they usually practice at home. Third example, she reads popular novels. In another way we can express these things. She usually reads popular novels. Fourth example, I watch television here. In another way we can say, I usually watch television here. Fifth example, he enjoys seeing movies. In another way we can express, he usually enjoys seeing movies. Sixth example, they leave home early. In another way we can say, they usually leave home early. Seventh example, we get up before 8. In another way we can say, we usually get up before 8. Example 8. He is kind to me. In another way we can say, he is always kind to me. Second example, they help her. In another way we can say, they always help her. Third example, we are busy on Friday. In another way we can say, we are always busy on Friday. Fourth example, I work extra hours. In another way we can say, I always work extra hours. Fifth example, they are polite to us. In another way we can say, they are always polite to us. Sixth example, he drinks black coffee. Another way we can say, he always drinks black coffee. Seventh example, she is calm about things. In another way we can say, she is always calm about things. Example 9. Here basically is we will understand these things like this. Some person is telling about some person something, but this third person is not believing what he is telling. Means first person, second person and third person. Okay. First person is telling about him something, whatever, anything he is telling, but this person is not believing in his words. So he is asking question back to him, and that question is asked like this. Here are these questions, here are that questions. Okay, so without wasting, let's start. He always work hard, and he is having doubt, and he is telling, does he always work hard? Next example, they are always late. Are they always late? She is always serious. Is she always serious? Fourth example, they always speak English, but they are also having doubt. Then they are asking, do they always speak English? He always writes carefully. Does he always write carefully? She is always patient with him. Is she always patient with him? They always wait for her. Do they always wait for her? Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.